Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's your Bianca Valetta girls. Thank you for tuning in to the makeup. It just like I did it some parts without audience, so I'm just going direct to the makeup. Okay, this very color that you are seeing is just a dark brown orange that I'm using as my first transitional color. And before doing that, I've already used concealer to conceal my eyes, and my eyebrow was done off camera. So I'm going for the second color, and I've already did that also in the front of off camera. Sorry guys. Yeah, because this was baby Serena dedication makeup. Yeah, I was not that in the mood. It's not that I'm not happy. I was happy, but it was not the way that I needed it to be done. But thank God she has been dedicated, and that is what is important. So and now I'm just doing my cut crease, my everyday cut crease. It's just makeup for you too, in case you want to go for a glitters eyeshadow. So this process will help you, and this is what I'm doing my cut crease. Okay, when to do your cut crease, you need to relax, take your time and do it. Sorry for that light, because my ring light sometimes I don't know what is wrong with me. And this video was done 6 o'clock in the morning, 6 a.m. in the morning. So I'm so sorry, and whatever you are seeing here. Okay, just keep on watching. It's your baby girl Bianca. Don't forget to subscribe. Have you done that for me? Kindly subscribe. As you do that, may God in heaven bless you for subscribing, and thank you for the like. Thank you for switching in again and for watching. Keep on watching, and guys, don't forget to share to your Facebook, share to your WhatsApp status, help a sister to share so that she can grow and go viral. So this is the color I will be going before using the glitters. That is a red color over there, and you guys remember that I did a red look, so I wanted to apply this hot pinkish red. I'm not gonna call it, yeah, let me just take it that way, like something like red or horse blood, or I don't know the color to call this very color. Yeah, but it's okay. You can see that it goes with my bonnet. The bonnet that I have on my head, it goes with it. And yeah, so I'm applying this very one here so that it will give me that beautiful look, and yeah, it will make it more poppy and make the color so unique. Before applying the glitters, you can do that. Any color of the glitters you want to apply, kindly take the color that is close to it or the same color, and then you go with it. This is my gel from Classic. This very gel is a classic gel, classic makeup. It's a brand from I think it's UK brand, but they sell it also in Africa. Okay, this glue is a bit, it's okay for me. I love it. Yeah, in case you have other glue you are using, fine, but in case you want to go for it, it is called Classic. Okay, Classic Makeup USA. Sorry, it's not UK, it's USA, United States of America. So that is it. It's a classic glitters glue, whereby it will help your glitters to stay input. And yeah, I'm using it direct to align my eyes before going to the reds that I'm about to apply. So this very palette is from AliExpress. You can go for it. It's very nice. So I will just be tapping in the glitters to the place I had my glue already. So that is what I'm doing by typing it in now. So as I'm saying, as I was saying earlier, sorry for that. Oh my God, it's not easy. So just type it. When you type, you press, just like the way I'm doing it. Yeah, it worked for me this way. Okay, you need like drawing it or moving it around. You know, oh, I won't lie for you guys, it won't stay when you are typing it. Okay, it's very okay and good when you are applying your glitters a hand, just like the way I'm doing it now. I did a hand, and my Africa too will always showed inside my video. I'm sorry, I don't live in an English speaking country. I live in Italy. Okay, so sorry in case I missed any of my English with Nigeria accent Nigerian English. Yeah, this one is okay, but what is important is you are getting what I'm trying to say. Sorry that the video was not clear. Yeah, I'm sorry, because it was made 6 a.m. So this is the glue here. You can see that classic makeup USA. Okay, so that is it. I'm typing again to the place I cut crease, and this very one I'm using eyeshadow, eyeliner, glitters. You can order it online. Okay, in case you need the glitters I apply, just let me know. I can leave, maybe next of my video I will do review for it. In case you want to know where I get it from, I can easily say it to you. But yeah, the glitter eyeshadow, okay, use it to align your makeup to give you a beautiful look. I hope you guys can remember the makeup. Sorry for that light, I don't know what to do with my makeup like most time. Maybe record it during the night, you know. Yeah, so this was the glitters, gold and red. Gold and red is the best. So I did the rest off camera. I just apply eyeliner, eyelashes, foundation and everything. So I'm using this my contouring palette. Is also immediately you set your face, don't leave it, because your makeup will get cakey. Yeah, it will get cakey. So the best way to blend your makeup is just once you fix in your setting powder, just go and blend it up. Because me leaving it alone for some minutes. Oh no, because I have oily skin, the thing will just cake immediately. So for the best result so far, and to my whole personal review and in more of my makeup experience, I prefer when I just set my face, use my setting powder like banana powder, any powder you want to use. You can even use baby powder, so it depends of your taste. Okay, so I just blend it. Sorry for that. This is early morning, 6 o'clock. The time will be 7 by now. It will be 7 now. Okay, so that is it. Just blend everything. Okay. Oh guys, I'm so happy today is my daughter's dedication, and I'm so happy and proud to be the mother of baby Serena, baby Sophia, and baby Samuel. Yeah, I'm proud to be the mom of 3 babies. I love my kids. I'm happy. She's gonna be dedicated today. So that we are not doing a party. Yeah, we're just gonna dedicate her to God and leave the rest for the people. Oh yeah, and the contouring. I'm going to be contouring the nose, and yeah, that is what I'm doing right now. And contouring the nose, and yeah, at the side, my cheekbones. I want my cheekbones to be pronounced. I need it hot. I need it heavy because it's a party makeup. So I want it more pronounced. So I'm gonna just give smile, give any kind of how I want it to be. Just smile, anyhow. Okay. So I want it bold. You can see I'm still typing to read. Yeah, I'm just typing it step by step. Yeah, I really need it poppy. I need it pronounced. My contouring, I need it to be pronounced. So that is why I did what I did now. You can see the way it is. So yeah, I need it that pronounced. Okay, you can see that. Yeah, I just need it because it's a party look. Okay, it's not that we are gonna do party because of the pandemic. We can't cook for church. Maybe when she's doing a 1 year birthday, yeah, when she's doing a 1 year birthday, I will just make sure I eat something very nice. I will just use it maybe like Thanksgiving to the church. That's what we'll be doing. Okay, so that is it. Amazing good. Yeah, champagne good. Okay, you guys know. That is what you normally get here. Champagne gold or silver color, depends on how you want it. But this one is gold and red and gold. So I'm going to be using champagne gold. Okay. So when I do here, you make sure just tap on it. Okay. Blend it just the way I'm doing it. Yeah. Okay. I I don't bring out my content myself, the color I want to go for, and I'm just finishing the blending. You can see that is what I'm trying to do now, and the camera was not that too okay that very morning, but now me watching it, doing the audio covered, it's so beautiful. I didn't even know that the video was so beautiful, so I could have just been doing my shakarai, I could have just been, you know, rolling it for you guys, like, you know how I normally does my video, like smiling. So for the highlighting moments, I love this moment so much. Whenever I'm highlighting, I love it. That's so sweet. I love it, guys. I love to highlight. I love when my shade is popping out, like really possible. Sorry that I changed the light. Yeah, my ring light was a little bit darker now. Yeah, I've already applied my lipstick. I'm just trying to blend it more. Sorry that I was using big mirror. That is the mirror I can lay my hands on, and I don't want to be late to church, and that is it. You guys know, in case you want to know how I made this lipstick, I can still do the video, you know. I have a video of how to apply your lipstick and contour it. This very one I didn't even contour it, so just direct with pencil and red popping lipstick. Okay, so this lipstick I still have it, it's still available in case you need this poppy red with the pencil. I still have it. The pencil, I think I bought everything here. I give some out as a gift, and I still have the lipstick. Okay, in case you are interested, you can come for it. So this is the final look. I'm gonna spray now. I'm using my dry cocoa spray, and this very spray is one. It will dry everything. When I say dry, to dry it, and you'll be feeling the dryness. You know, I don't know how to explain it, but you will be feeling the dryness, like paints drain your makeup or your face, you know. So the tightness, you can feel it through the spray, you know. Thank you for watching. It's your baby girl. Now we are going to church. So yeah, it was just for me to showcase the final look, guys, and just showing me. Sorry, yeah, my kids, they are showing. This one is okay, yeah. And I forgot to do the final look before going out, and I was just like, let me use this opportunity inside the car to showcase it to you guys, because inside my ring light was not giving me the look I needed it to be. In this very video you are seeing here is inside car, no ring light, nothing. The thing is up, you can see the well done job. I love my makeup. You need to see me live and direct. That is when you will know that this girl, she's a blender. I can blend makeup. I will blend some makeup. When I look at my picture, I'm like, oh, my nails, my fingers, my hands are blessed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share out, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave your comments. I love every one of you. A big shout out to all my members. I love everyone.